What's up guys, you're watching the Studio, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 4 error CE-37700-7. The download has been cancelled as the content is not available in your PlayStation. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen here, and let's go to the settings first. Here we are at the settings, and there is a you just see download is in. If your download is not working, then go to the storage. You must check the storage. Sometimes the storage is not working or not, you don't have storage, and then go to the PS4 family management, and here your PS4 restrictions. Here you just set the edge level. Sometimes you're under it, that's why it's not going to allow you to download it. And here is the sometimes you have a region problem. Some applications or games in you don't have in some regions, that's why you can change it the region which application you want it. If this application is in that region, you just simply do it, and after that you just start it and check the address must. Here your PSN account is from where. So if the application is not in this region, then not gonna work. You must change the region, and after that you can download it, it will be work. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.